Tired of tricky math when adjusting recipes? Serving Sizer Recipe Converter is your kitchen problem solver, effortlessly scaling recipes to perfectly match your desired number of servings. This app allows you to input original serving sizes and quantities, then instantly calculates new ingredient amounts for your adjusted serving needs. It handles various units and helps prevent culinary mishaps when cooking for a crowd or just one. It's fantastic for home cooks, bakers, and meal preppers seeking precision and efficiency. Users praise its intuitive interface, accuracy, and time-saving convenience. However, common bad experiences include the manual entry for all recipes, as it doesn't import from websites or link to other recipe apps. Some users also report occasional glitches with very complex fractions or a desire for more robust unit conversion options. What's your thought?